In this video, I'm going to explain you in very simple words what exactly is QLoRA and its model Guanaco. As you can see on your screen, this model is hosted by Hugging Face, and I have tried a few bits here as what exactly it does. It seems to be still work in progress as I have faced a few errors while running it, but nonetheless, let me first explain what exactly is QLoRA. QLoRA is an efficient fine-tuning approach that reduces memory usage enough to fine-tune a 65 billion parameter model on a single 48 GB GPU while preserving full 16-bit fine-tuning task performance. And as you know, fine-tuning a model means to basically train uh, basically train a pre-trained model on your own data set by providing it some hyperparameters. Now, QLoRA is a form of LoRa. LoRa stands for low rank adapters or LoRa, and then QLoRa back propagates gradients through a frozen 4-bit quantized pre-trained language model into this a new LoRa model. So this is Guanaco in front of you on your screen, which is based on this QLoRA, and it outperforms all previously open release models on the Vicuna benchmark, reaching 99.3% of the performance level of ChatGPT, while only requiring 24 hours of fine tuning on a single GPU. So, in very simple words, what QLoRa is trying to do is to save you memory while fine tuning a model. And so far, it says that it is successful 99% of the time if you compare it to the chat gpt, and I believe that future is also going towards in this direction where companies will try to fine tune their models as cheaply as possible. So let me try my query again, which I tried earlier. I'm clearing the chat here, and okay, so the error is still here. Let me reload this page. Okay, so I'm reloading this page. I'm just asking it to explain QLoRA to a 5-year-old, and then click on send button. Okay, cool. So it works this time. Okay, and now as you can see, it doesn't make sense at all. So I think our jobs are saved then with AI, but still, it seems it is still learning. So I'm asking Gonako model to explain the concept which it is based on, and it has given me totally wrong answer. Let me yeah, let's see what it does now. Okay, no cigar. I think this is not really going to work. But anyway, um, this the concept seems really good, even if the results are not accurate. That the effort is to save memory and to basically save resources while fine tuning a model. Very good concept. I believe that if not Gonaco, a lot of other models will be striving to do the same, and someone, including Gonaco, might succeed. And just as a fun fact, Gonaco is an animal. So let's ask this instead of me telling you what is Gonaco. Okay, so they are basically uh, camelids or something like llamas, if you know what llamas are. Okay, yeah, it is telling us. So it is a type of camelids which include conacos, llamas, alpacas, and vicunas, and camels. So it's from the camel family. So that is what they have named it after. And yeah, they're mostly in the South America. Anyway, I hope that you enjoyed this. Thanks for listening.